Welcome to an introduction to the Strategic Instruction Model, or SIM. This overview is for educators who are interested in learning more about SIM and its role in supporting adolescent literacy in secondary schools. The Strategic Instruction Model, or SIM, is a comprehensive approach to adolescent literacy developed by the University of Kansas Center for Research on Learning as a result of more than 30 years of classroom research. SIM provides teacher and student tools that help students read, understand, and communicate about complex content material. Adolescent literacy instruction can be viewed on a continuum. In such a continuum, content classes are characterized by enhanced content instruction and the use of embedded strategies for all students. Supplemental classes are for those students needing more explicit instruction, and they feature intensive strategy instruction and intensive basic skill instruction. Students needing the most support receive one-to-one intensive therapeutic intervention. The Strategic Instruction Model is made up of content enhancement routines and learning strategies. Content enhancement routines and learning strategies work together to lead to improved adolescent literacy. Teachers use content enhancement routines to present critical content in a learner-friendly way. The routines are used in general education classes and can be used for any content area. All SIM content enhancement routines have a visual device, a series of linking steps, and an explicit instructional sequence called Cue, Do, Review. This is the visual device for the unit organizer routine. You'll see that the unit map shows the organization of the unit content. The visual device also shows guiding questions, a unit schedule of important assignments, and the knowledge structure of the unit content. Teachers create a draft of the unit organizer based on their curriculum and then lead the class in co-construction of individual visual devices using the linking steps. These are the linking steps for the unit organizer routine. Each phrase in the mnemonic represents an area of the visual device. Teachers use the linking steps and effective questioning to lead students through co-construction. Each content enhancement routine has been researched using the Cue, Do, Review instructional sequence, where teachers cue the students to the routine being used, how it will help them learn, and their role in the co-construction process. Teachers then use the linking steps to co-construct. Finally, the teacher asks questions to make sure that students understand the content and the process used to co-construct the device. For example, teachers might ask, "What will you know at the end of this unit to review content?" They might also ask, "What do you see as the advantages of using a unit organizer?" to ask about process. Each of the content enhancement routines can be organized into the categories you see here. The routines for concepts, exploring, performance, and planning require professional development by a certified SIM professional developer. The routines for teaming do not require professional development. Learning strategies form the second arm of the strategic instruction model. Learning strategies are student-focused tools and interventions that provide the skills and strategies that students need to successfully learn content. Each learning strategy is research validated. Most strategies consist of an 8-stage process that ends with the generalization stage. Newer strategies are taught to students using a lesson format. All strategies have a memory device and do require student mastery before moving on to the next stage or lesson. Learning strategies are organized into the categories of reading, writing, math, interacting, motivation, and performance and studying. Like the content enhancement routines, the majority of the learning strategies require professional development provided by a SIM certified professional developer. Administrator support and involvement is one of the elements that helps this comprehensive literacy program support the needs of all learners. Another key to successful implementation is ongoing coaching. The Sim Coach provides resources, feedback, modeling, encouragement, and support based on teacher need. Coaching typically occurs monthly during 30 to 40-minute sessions and begins with small groups before moving on to individual coaching. Coaching appointments are scheduled electronically in advance. All coaching is confidential and non-evaluative. Thank you for your time. Please visit the SIM website at www.sim.kucrl.org for more information